In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Contact Us page using Google Sites in just a few minutes. This is a great way to ensure your visitors can easily reach out to you, whether your site is for a business, a blog, or any other purpose. So, let's dive in and create a direct line of communication for your audience. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Google Sites project. Once you're there, take a look over to the panel on the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a tab labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where you manage all the separate pages that live on your site, so it's a key area when you're organizing your content. Next, you'll need to add a new page specifically for your contact information. Look for the plus icon, which you'll find towards the bottom of the Pages panel. This icon is your go-to tool for adding new pages to your site. Give it a click and a new window will pop up, ready for you to set up the new page. Now that we're adding a new page, it's time to give it a name. You'll want something intuitive and straightforward that tells visitors exactly what to expect. Typing in Contact Us is a clear choice, since it's commonly recognized as the default label for contact information on many websites. Once you've entered the name, take a moment to ensure it's spelled correctly and is concise for the best user experience. With your page named, the final step in this initial setup process is to click Done. You'll see this option either at the bottom or the right end of the window where you named your page. By clicking Done, you save your new page and add it to the navigation menu of your website, making it easy for users to locate and use. As you can see, creating a Contact Us page is quite straightforward. Taking these steps will ensure that your page is correctly added, making it easier for your users to get in touch. While this tutorial covers the basic setup, remember that once your page is created, you can customize it with additional features like embedding contact forms, adding maps for physical locations, or including links to social media profiles. It's all about making your site as user-friendly and accessible as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your Contact Us page on Google Sites. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials and tips on optimizing your web presence. Have a great day.